Now, the Kenya Power has posted a 30 billion shilling net profit for the year ended 30th June 2024 compared to 2.8 billion shillings loss in the previous year. Now, the improved profitability was mainly supported by growth in revenue from electricity sales as well as decreased finance costs due to the strengthening of the Kenyan shilling against major global currencies. KTN's Esther Diana with more details.
Same period, electricity sales increased by 21% to 231 billion shillings from 190.9 billion shillings recorded during the previous trading year. This growth is attributable to improved sales from new customers, among them manufacturers.
If you look at our obligations in terms of power purchases and the loans, they're almost at the tune of $1 billion. So that is to say, whenever the Kenya shilling depreciates by a shilling, our P&L is hit by 1 billion shillings.
Finance costs decreased by 24.8 billion shillings, driven by unrealized foreign exchange gain of 7.8 billion shillings, compared to a loss of 16.87 billion shillings in the previous period, resulting from loan revaluations.
About 65% of our power purchase is in foreign currency, and so when we had forex challenges last year, we had a huge obligation as at the end of the year, but then this year, in the second half, there was improvement of availability, and by the end of the year, only 279 million there. Now, the opposite happened this time, and we have a gain of 7.8 billion shillings in that because of the strengthening of the shilling.
The power distributors boss, Joseph Siror, urged the government to ban the scrap copper trade to address the issue of vandalism, citing disruptions to customers and costing them money to replace stolen transformers.
And if you look even at the cost of doing business and the cost of maintaining of our network, the issue of vandalism of transformers is one of the most painful things that can happen.
We need now to create a rapid response initiative on all those paid up schemes that we have not delivered.
The firm has projected that it will have a strong balance sheet by 2026. In addition to its 447,000 new customers added to the grid this financial year, it is targeting 291,000 new customers in the coming financial year. The 43 billion profit before tax by the power distributor is a huge turnaround in just 1 year. This, while banked on the strengthening of the Kenyan shilling, does not correspond with the prevailing operating environment and comes at a time where many Kenyans and businesses are decrying high cost of energy. For KTN News, I am Esther Diana in Nairobi.
Right, with that, we wrap up this edition of Business Today this afternoon. My name is Kelvin Yakundi. Stick around. BKTN is coming up next.